live. Let's set up the GoPro. Okay. I gotta get into a meeting, so we'll figure this out. Let's go. How do I get a better angle? Let's do whatever. Alexa, all lights purple. Okay. This should do the job. Hey guys, sorry for keeping you waiting, guys.
How are you, Dan?
I'm here. I'm good. It's good to see you.
How are you?
I'm good. How was your meeting? How was your weekend, guys? Oh,
It was great.
Ans, you're looking good, man. I like the suit.
How are you?
Hey, I'm good. I'm good. I'm better that I've seen you guys. What did you guys do in the weekend?
I was just traveling.
Traveling? Did you go any place nice?
Same. Traveling to my hometown.
Hometown? That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. How's the weather in Pakistan, guys?
Cold, winter.
Cold?
It's not like moderately cold, not that much.
Yeah, guys, it started snowing here in Canada yesterday.
So nice. Yeah.
It's snowing. It's not cool. It's not cool. I don't like it.
Yeah, my cousin lives there also in
Yeah.
like Brampton. Like he sent me a video yesterday. It was snowing.
No. It's not it. It's not good. I want to move. I want to move. Yeah. All right. Okay. So guys, what are we up to? Well, where are we standing?
Ans, we start from the Ans and then the Haitham and Imran.
Okay,
Start
Ans.
Ans.
Yeah, backend is important.
First of all, milestone 1 is completed, which include the complete setup, authentication, and all integrations. And in the second milestone,
Sorry for interruption. Can you just show the demo like in emulator or modulator? Just screen
Yeah,
the theory.
I can share my screen and I can show you in the Figma.
For sure, bro. Demo would be awesome.
Ans emulator. What?
Right now, it is running on my real device.
Okay.
If you want to see an emulator, then I can do this, but it will take 1 or 2 minutes.
No worries. I have 1 or 2 minutes, bro.
Okay.
I tried using Xcode. It was a bit confusing as a beginner. So how does Flutter work? How does it become a centralized software for both Android and iOS at the same time?
Mostly we write code in the Dart, and when we compile on a platform, it just read the platform and convert our dot code into that code. For example,
Okay.
if I am running on Android, it will convert my code to Kotlin or Java.
Oh,
If I am
okay.
running on iOS, it will convert my same dot code on the Swift UI or something else.
Okay. Okay.
So
Actually,
it is platform specific on the compiler time.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Actually, in short, Darren, Flutter is a Google framework and
Okay.
is a cross-platform framework.
Okay.
And you write in a one language code, it will convert the codes into the system or device language code.
Okay. Is the Flutter language Python? What is it?
No, dot. Flutter is framework. That is language for coding.
Oh, okay. Okay. It has its own language.
Darren, how was your weekend? You asked help from us, but you didn't about Flutter.
My weekend? Oh, I don't even know what I did. Friday. So I found a co-founder, guys, because investors, they don't like if I apply alone. They want like a second guy, trustful, someone me to partner up with. Because let's say they give me $1 million. If I get sick, if something happens, family emergency, if I have to go, business is poof. And they don't want that, naturally. So I had to find someone that I could trust as a co-founder, and I think I found the right guy. So that's the new stuff. And then we also, I don't know if I told you guys, but we have another company that I work with, Turkish guys, and they are analyzing my business. So they look at the tech stack that we're using, they look at the cost projections, they look at competition, and they found two important things right now, that apparently we have a competition. If you guys type coachcall.ai, you'll see that someone actually is doing exactly what we're doing. They started earlier than us, but they're at the same stage with us. They have a landing page, but they have no app. So Wab, if you want, you can check
Coach
it out.
call AI?
Yeah, Coach Call, like coachcall.ai. They're basically doing the same thing.
Okay, yeah, I see the landing page.
Yeah. I mean, their descriptions are crazy. We're using the same words, like tough love coach and stuff like that. They have the same words and sayings.
That's insane.
I mean, competition is not the end of the world. We'll definitely be better than them, but
Yeah.
we just know something new, thanks to them.
Mhm. You did not update me about the like a code agent. What's on your mind about that?
I just changed it myself for using Vapi. I feel like it was better if you worked on the actual app itself rather than the landing page and the onboarding early user AI. That was like, it's an easy job to do the first call agent. So I didn't want to just give you more tasks, and I just wanted you to continue focusing on the app. That's why I didn't bother you with the AI agent.
Okay, that's great.
But right now, I mean, you're in Pakistan, so you may not be able to call it, but the San Francisco number works right now. So, I mean, it's not the best, but I know how I can make it better. I just need to focus on do it.
Oh, that's great.
Darren, I just go through the link you asked, like coachcal.ai.
Uh-huh.
It's almost similar to R.
So much similar,
Project.
bro. They're literally doing the same thing. We just have to do it better.
Yes, almost. If I would say, like 90% are same.
Yeah, I mean, if they're PC Windows, we have to be Apple, man. There's no other way. There's no other way. I don't want to be.
It also has WhatsApp integration. That's not in all.
Yeah. I mean, that's their method. I feel like us having everything native in our own app would be better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we want to be Apple. We don't want to be Huawei against, you know.
You said they found like two things. One was our competition, and what was the other thing that you the company found?
They found. I mean, they run some calculations for the OpenAI Vision, and then the Twilio and the Vapi and all that. They came to a conclusion that an average user monthly cost towards us, like if they used it every day for tasks like waking up, going to sleep and stuff like that, they said it would cost $40 on average per person. But
One day.
40
per month.
40 per month.
No, I mean it's 40 per month. Okay.
Yeah. And I asked them to check it again because we'll be using like, I mean, I don't know how it works, but you know, we said YOLO would see if it's correct, 80%. So I don't know. ChatGPT came up with something such as there's this platform called YOLO, I guess, and then YOLO will check if the image is correct, if it's proof that the person is doing the thing that they're saying. If it's not sure, over 80%, like if it's lower his confidence, it'll send it to ChatGPT for a proof check. And I feel like that would make it cheaper. But other than that, I'm just only relying on their information right now because they're more educated.
I want to just add in, Darren, YOLO is a like kind of framework. We have to use them intelligently.
Mm-hmm.
And not just put the input and he will like give us the result. We have to give him instruction. What kind of actually YOLO stands for you only look for once. Like
Okay.
it is used for objective detection.
Okay.
Objective
It is like a visionary model.
Yes.
It is not an LLM. You have
Yes.
to train it on some data so it can
Exactly.
detect some tasks. So it cannot generalize over different tasks like what users have set on.
Yes.
It can only detect if it is trained on like detecting if a user in gym or if he has woken up. So it can only do that task only if we have trained it on it. Like we need a proper images data to train it as well. So
Yeah.
it is not like a vision model which for example if we send a GPT a picture, it can analyze it and tell like what the person is doing at the same time. It is not like that.
Yes, it is not easy job. I last year I have published one paper on that.
Okay. Do you think
I
it
have
would-
a research paper on that. So it's not easy. Like just give the instruction and it will done automatic. It's not easy.
Okay. Do you think we would be using it to make things cheaper or no?
It's cheaper, but it's complex and time taking.
Okay. Maybe later then. Okay.
Yes.
So do you guys think that the $40 they came up with is an accurate estimate?
I don't think so, Isam. and they give the $40 like kind of cost for these. It's too like kind of cheap,
Too
but they
cheap?
don't give the accurate results.
No, like too
Like-
cheap or too expensive?
Haitham, go ahead.
Sorry, like what are we like talking about?
I'm asking if the $40 these guys told me that it would cost us $40 to have one user use this whole app per month. So it cost us $40. Do you think
Yeah,
it's
it
accurate?
depends on like if we are using GPT vision model that we might need to use. So I haven't done research, they have done, so I can't say for sure. But
Okay.
yeah, it will like cost us around that.
Okay, so it's pretty close,
range.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, I mean, I've been saying
Have
from the
to
beginning.
make a subscription model,
Yeah.
keeping that in mind.
Yeah, I mean, if we want to give a good product, if we want to actually have a good product, we just have to make it premium, make it expensive, so we can give back the value. Because if we price it cheap, it'll be a cheap product. So they'll have to pay good money to get a better product. Okay, are we ready, Hans?
And app is running well. Let me show you
Okay.
all the steps one by one.
Okay, let's do it.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So his full name, his email address. Let me pick from temp email
Okay.
and next we have phone number field. I will pick also from the temp. So after accepting terms and condition, I can click on sign up, and it is registering a new user with this email and with this phone number. So an OTP has been sent to this phone number, so I have to verify this. Let me update the latest SMS just to check the OTP.
Okay. Yeah, free SMS. I didn't know this existed.
So I have received this message 18 seconds ago, and my OTP is 697029.
Okay, perfect.
So after verifying this, it will ask me to log in, and on the login, it will ask user to verify his email before going to dashboard screen
Okay.
or home screen.
Okay.
So it is saying please verify your email. Let me check my temp email, refresh. And here we have email from AI coach. Verify your email. I can click on it to verify it.
Okay.
So my email is verified. Now I can proceed with the login.
Oops.
Invalid password. Oh, I think
You're missing a 3. Yeah. Okay.
okay. This is our questionnaire. First we have selfie screen. So this is emulator. In this emulator camera is showing in this way. As you can see, we can move anywhere, and we can click our selfie by clicking on this camera icon.
Okay.
So selfie is clicked, and if it is not true, we can retake by clicking on this one, and we can pick also from our gallery by clicking on it.
Okay. Sounds good. Looks good. Okay.
And after clicking on continue, it will upload my profile picture to the database. So I don't want to pick from files. I will close it and my selfie is uploaded. Now it is asking me for my name. My name is Anas and click on continue will ask me for age. Age is 22.
Guys, by the way,
Continue.
later on, can we change the age collecting part to, instead of age, can we change it to birthday? Like, we need the day and the month because we need to be able to celebrate the person's birthday.
Yeah, we can add it, and in that case we have to implement a calendar view by which he can pick a particular date instead of a
Yeah.
input field.
Yeah.
So we can do this in the future.
Okay.
So here is our main goals. Stay consistent. What does matter to you to feel proud?
Progress.
What motivates you? Progress.
Okay.
And then we have some more questions related to habits and discipline mapping. So which habits slow you down? And then we have how consistently you are late.
Okay.
So when do you perform best in the morning?
Okay.
Clicking on continue will take me to the next screen, environment and accountability. So what distracts you most and choose your tone.
Okay.
So this is our final step. It is asking me for my coach name. I will add agent and begin setup.
Mm.
So here we have to add a promise by long pressing on this icon, and it will
Oh.
animate
This is
with
good.
this
Okay.
progress.
Okay, I like this. It's filling up. Okay. Okay. Celebration. Yeah.
So once it is done, we can proceed to next step. It is saying commitment sealed and tape to next. Next we have trial screen that your free trial has been started and you can continue with this app. So by clicking on continue, I can land on the home page, which is showing for basically friends, habits, insight, and setting. So this is our friend. We can search a new user to add into my friends by its name. For example, if I search for Anas, so it is showing all the users with this name. I can view profile before adding them, and I can directly add into my friend. So this status is updated. Its mean request has been sent from your
Okay.
side. It will this user will be your friend if he accept your friend request.
Okay.
So we can send request to anyone by searching their name. So this is our new request that we have received from other user for the connection, and this is our sent request. Right now I have sent only 3 requests, so that's why we can refresh this by just swiping up to down. And then we have habit screen. Front end is ready, but back end is I am working on.
Okay.
And then we have insights, which is coming soon, setting coming soon, and this is our AI chat, which is also coming soon with a backend, but front end is ready for this.
Okay. Okay. Are the other ons that you sent a request to, are they your other accounts? Mock accounts? Like-
You mean sending request to
Yeah,
another
yeah.
accounts?
Are they actual accounts or are they just mock accounts that just randomly
No.
created?
This search is related to actual account. The keyword we will search will search from my database. It is not
Okay.
a mock account.
Okay.
This is real users data registered in our database, and we can send friend request to
Okay,
anyone
okay.
that we want.
Okay, I'm just asking, is it working right now? Are those your old accounts that you opened for trial? So are they actual accounts or are they just random? Type Darren.
No,
Type Darren. Is Darren?
Jaren.
Okay, so
No.
the other ons were your old accounts, right? That you signed up with before.
Yeah, those are the all other users, not
Okay.
me.
So the database is working, right? Okay.
Yeah, database is working for the friends module and searching as well as request
Okay.
feature and all similar things.
Okay. That's good. Okay, it's looking good, man. It's looking good. Okay.
And right now, I am working on the app blocking feature. It is possible in the Android, but for the iOS, we need Apple developer account from
Yeah.
which we have to
Yeah.
enable the screen time API thing
Yeah.
that will tell us that which app user used for which time.
Okay, I'm working on that, and they just need some legal stuff from me, and I'm waiting for United States Internal Revenue, so IRS, for them to like give me a code, and without that code I can't do anything. So I'm just waiting for
Yeah,
United
exactly.
States.
There is a point. That's why the milestone maybe not complete without these. If you can exclude these, then milestone 2B will be completed today or tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure. No worries. I saw what I liked what I saw. So yeah, I think milestone is very like.
Okay. There is also part of Haisam. You were talking about the milestone in which we were talking about API calls or AI calls, etc. Something like that. We were discussing.
We were previously discussing about the AI agent.
No. In the call, in the milestone 2.
In the milestone 2,
Yes.
yeah. So far, like everything from the backend side is done except for that notifications part, and we will like hopefully get it done by today, and on the notification part.
Okay, that's good.
So hopefully, Darren, the rest of part of milestone 2 will be completed in 2 days.
Okay, I think it looks good so far too. You know, we're doing what we can, and so what's up with the notifications? Will the AI be able to send notifications based on its own choice? So let's say it gets to know you and it says, okay, Hassam, I want to send notifications to Hassam at these times. Will it be able to decide on its own or no?
For that, like we might have to look into that, the AI part, because currently what we were doing is because we are sending the friend request and like accepting it, that we need a notification for that and for the messaging as well. So currently we are like trying to integrate notification for that purpose, but later on like we can look into the AI part as well. Hopefully like it is possible that AI can also send notifications according to the user habits and preferences.
Darren, we can do that in next milestone.
Okay.
Because we are currently focusing on milestone 2 achievements.
Okay, that's fine, because we really don't want people to do anything manually, because we don't like AI is gonna call you, okay, that stuff, but we want to differentiate ourselves from Google Calendar, because Google Calendar makes you type everything and just like set all of your calendar stuff manually, and we don't want that. It takes time. We should be able to tell coach to like, okay, I have tennis practice every Tuesday from now on, and it should be able to just set the appointments up on its own internally with its mind. Like we want to make, I mean, we're trying to make people disciplined by also depending on the app, but we don't want them to constantly be on the app, because that would defeat the purpose of the app to be productive. We want them to use the app as less as possible, but also take benefit from it to like actually be useful. That's just
we might. That's right. But for that, we might still need a calendar in the backend, so like the AI agent could access it and see like if user has some task on the list and he needs to like remind him or something. So yeah, we might need to integrate it in the backend, but we will not display it to the user. So yeah.
For sure. Yeah. I mean, it's another feature. Right now, we need to focus on the simpler things, like you guys said. But I'm just mentioning it so we're on the same page, so we know what's the goal. Okay.
Done with the simpler features, we can like enhancement. We can make add another milestone for the enhancements where we can add all these enhancements.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
Like yes, yeah, Faisal, I agree with you. We can do it later. Firstly, we have to focus on what we have decided. Otherwise, we keep on adding features. Then we will not achieve the our deadline.
Yeah.
So firstly, we have to achieve the milestone what we have finalized. Then we can add later on.
Okay. So yeah. So on milestone, I'm just checking the milestone again. So it says specifically core app functionality notifications, voice calls API, app logging logic. I understand app logging logic needs more time. AI onboarding integration is fine. We're waiting for notifications and voice calls API. I think voice calls API is pretty much done too. We just need to train the agent from what I understand. And then we're waiting for notifications.
We also have done the like friends functionality, which is like in the next milestone. So
okay, that's good. Friend system wearable API. Okay, guys, how possible is for us to just you guys know how to do Apple Watches, right? We never talked about it before necessarily, but you guys know how to integrate it into Apple Watch, right?
Yeah, I know it's coming up in the next milestone. So yeah, we will like research on it and we can discuss in the next meeting also.
Yeah, I mean, I keep on.
You want it integrated with the Apple Watches, or like do you have anything special in mind?
No, yeah, I was like when we first started working together, I was planning on having our own hardware, but then I talked to some wise people, entrepreneur people. They said, okay, when you first launch, don't come up with hardware. That's a whole headache, and you don't want to mess with that in the first stages. So I think it's smartest if we just go with Apple Watch and stuff that's already existing, like Whoop, Apple Watch, Meta glasses. But I think the easiest right now is Apple Watch, so we can just start with that.
It's better way to smartwatches. We can say that in generic way.
Yeah, smartwatches. Yeah, because we have to use
smartwatches. Yes, smartwatch is better.
Yeah, smartwatch is good. Okay, yeah, things are looking good.
Yes, is there anything you want to discuss?
Anything? What do you guys think I should work on?
You can continue working on the like voice agent that you were working on with the Peppy.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use that for the marketing purposes as well. So like.
Okay, sounds good. Okay.
Okay.
By the way, guys, I just released the payment because I know we'll get there sooner or later. I just wanted to release the payment before waiting too much because we said it's gonna be each week. Even though we're slightly behind with the notifications, we're also ahead in friends. So I just want to be fair.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. This has mean a lot for us.
I couldn't ask for a better team, guys. So I mean that's the least I could do, right?
Means a lot, Jan, for us.
Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. I mean, I signed up for one guy and it was Awais, and then now I have a whole team, 5 of you guys, and plus a 60-person office behind for R&D. So what else can I want?
Thank you. These kind of your words pushing us our limit.
Hopefully, guys. That's how I am. I get motivated by good words, and I hope you guys are too.
Yes, exactly the same way. Thank you, Darren.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna be awake until you guys stop working. So let me know if you guys need anything else, and I'll work on the voice agent, and then we can go out part ways. Okay, but I'll be awake though. I'll be awake. Let me know if you guys need anything.
Okay, sure. Our team, do you have any questions we can ask Darren? If you have any query.
I want to discuss something regarding
इमरान भाई अब आपकी आवाज नहीं सही आ रही.
Just let me know my voice clear.
Echo. Imran, your voice is echoing. Echo.
Just a minute. Okay, better now.
It's good. It's good.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I was saying that I have want to share update regarding the mobile app navigation. That as we are
Kindly, can you? Sorry for interruption. Can you share the screen, and then
Yeah.
we can discuss its better way.
just let me know when it's visible. Oh, sorry. Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, as we can see that we have created the first menu like this, but as we are managing the multiple peoples on our app, so one idea just clicked in my mind that there should be an option for the user to see all the chats in one place. So for that, I have updated menu like this one. So the purpose to do this discussion that can we use this updated menu and this AI chat button right up here, because as we have this number of nav items increase, it's getting a bit
Okay.
tricky, kind of a
Yeah.
challenge for us to manage it here.
True.
So can we go like this? Because when the user will click on this chat, here all the chats that the user have done with his or her friends will be showing here, and by clicking on a specific chat, he can see this whole chat here.
Mm-hmm. How does Instagram do it? How does Instagram do it? You click on your profile. Where's our profile button? Where?
Instagram, we actually have the messaging on the top right. Like we have an
They-
icon on the top right.
They
that we
actually
can
they
use
actually
AI
changed
as well.
it. They changed it 2 days ago. You know? Have you seen it? Let me show you. They changed it. Now it's like this.
Instagram has now put the message in
Oh, like I did not update it.
It's new. But you still can't really click on people's profiles in the chat like you said, Hassam. So not Hassam, Imran. So I feel like if our profile is like this, do you think it would be smart if we could just check out our followers and following and stuff like that from there? I don't know. Your method is the clearest right now. I think it makes sense, but I feel like we can make it better somehow. I feel like because it's smart. I don't think it's a good idea to keep chats and friend requests on the same page. Let me think.
No, this chat is just like as you said that when the user will click on it, basically this is the part of the menu as well, but just getting some apart from it, just to manage the navigation clearly. This
Okay.
is part of. We are not removing it right
Okay.
from the menu. This is just a part of the menu.
Okay. What if we did it like this? So, can you go back to the
Yeah.
Figma? Okay, so right now, wait, let me just go to the Figma page myself so I can show it better when I point it.
Okay.
Okay.
But if you can shift your screen and show me.
I can just show it from the mouse. I feel like that would be fine because I have issues sharing my screen, you know.
Okay.
It doesn't open really. Can you share? Can you see my mouse? Are we on?
Yeah,
this?
I'm seeing
Okay.
it.
Okay, so I was thinking, I feel like instead of doing this, let's go back here. These are the same page, right? It's
Yeah,
supposed to be the
the
same.
pages are the same. The navigation is updated.
Okay, so I'm thinking like WhatsApp. You know how on your main page there's this chats.
Yeah.
So I feel like friends could be just chats, and then when you click on the chat, there could be your chat from top to bottom, of course, and then on the top, like in WhatsApp, you could have the person's profile picture and then their name, and when you click on it, you can see their profile. So right now, there's just a view profile button and send message. How about instead of view profile and send message, there's just your chat just on there, and then when you click on the chat, you can then click on their profile. Do you see what I mean?
Okay, so you meant to say that like the WhatsApp did that once we got logged into the WhatsApp, we have seen the chats, our
Yeah.
chats, and once we click on a specific chat, then the first conversation comes out, and when we click on the a specific profile of that user, then
Yeah.
its profile comes out. You mean to say this?
Yeah, exactly. I'll just I'll just post a picture right now.
I think Darren, kindly if you should share the screen, then it would be better way to
Yeah,
understand for me,
I'll try.
for all.
Of course. I just didn't want.
Imran, just stop share the screen.
Where's the chat? Okay. I just make my computer work really hard, so sometimes it doesn't allow me to share. We've tried it before, right? Let me see if I can do it. I feel like if I share my, let me try the entire screen first. Okay, I'm sharing now. Okay, we're good. Okay. So what I was thinking, so you click on. So here are chats, right? Let me just show you from WhatsApp, honestly. So you got. Let me show the initial screen. I'm just scrolling really fast. Let's see. Okay, this is a very good example. So this is friends, right? This is our friends. This is friend requests. This is the request sent. This is the request that we have, yeah. So this is our friends. We click on Alex Smith, and then when you click on Alex Smith, it goes here, right? And then when you click on Alex Smith, then it can show its profile. I feel like that's something people are most used to because Instagram is the same, right? Instagram has the same. Let's check. I mean, Meta has it all figured out, so might as well just be influenced from them. Instagram, let's just go back to see if they're doing the same thing. Okay, so we got friends. Let's see. Yeah, so yeah, you can click on their profile here and then you can check their profile out. Other than that, friends chat like here. Yeah. See, normally, I don't know why this guy doesn't have it, but normally we have all messages, requested messages, general chat, request chat. See, this guy has it here. I think this isn't updated yet. But, yeah.
It's updated. Darren, it's updated.
Really? This is the latest version?
Yes. This is later for you.
Okay. I think
updated.
mine is different because I have a professional account and I have general chat and stuff like that.
Yeah, this is a journal account.
Okay.
Professional account is having other kind of interface or features.
Okay.
You are mixing both of them.
Yeah, okay. But you guys get my point, right? You see what I'm trying to say. So like friends would just have their chat, and then when you click on it, then you can see their profile.
Or I think you are mixing with the messengers. And the right now feature you were talking about the icons of the friend request or friends that is in Facebook Messenger.
I mean, I'm talking about WhatsApp and Instagram. Where is it again?
Yeah.
So
Messenger, Facebook Messenger.
So like what I actually want for a coach is like this, but like for WhatsApp had a better option with like all and stuff like that. So
yeah, but it's now Instagram, Meta AI. Meta is all in the app of Meta apps like Facebook Messenger, Facebook, Instagram.
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, no. What I meant is like, yeah. So like this is exactly what I mean. Friends, and then you got friend requests, and then everything, and then when you click on the chat with your friend when it's on friends, and then you can click on it, and then you go to your chat, and then when you go to your chat, you can click on their profile.
Okay, so you mean to say that that on the friends we will be showing their chat
Yeah.
rather than show that view profile or message,
Yes.
and in front of that friend tab we will be having the
Yeah.
send request and receive request tab.
Okay. Yeah. So very similar to So instead of all and favorites and work groups like this, I mean, we can even have. Honestly, we can even have friends, groups, friend requests, and requests sent. I don't know. I'm just brainstorming here. What do you guys think? And then they all could have.
Sorry for interruption. We can add them, but we have to just finalize it. What kind of features we need in our app?
Okay.
Like friend request send, group or group request send. What kind of features? We can add in our app, but we must finalize.
Finalize it. Okay. I'm just finalizing it right now. So
Milestone, we are not having a group chat.
sure. Yeah. So let me just go back to Figma. So new requests and sent requests can have these screens where you view profile or add friend or stuff like that. And then groups. So what I had in mind is, right here there's friends, sent requests, request sent. I feel like we can add friends, groups, new request, or
And send request.
send requests and stuff like that. I feel like we don't even have to show the request sent. Sent request, we don't have to add that. No one has that. I mean,
Or in my suggestion, here is a suggestion. Haitham, you can leave. We can
yes.
me and Darren and Imran can discuss
Okay.
with that.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Sam. Is Ans here? I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye. We'll continue working.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
There is a suggestion. Instead of the name, we can use icon like friend request send icons, group icons.
Sure.
We can use that.
Instead of using words, we can
Full name.
put
Yes.
we can put friend, one person's icon, and then multiple people's icon, and then person.
Yes, you got my idea.
and-
You got my
yeah,
idea.
I got your idea. Yeah, that makes sense.
Imran, got you our idea? What
Yeah,
we are
and
discussing?
we can do the R&D on it.
Okay.
Better clarification.
So we're just putting like icons, so symbols instead of just words.
Okay.
So let's just finalize this, right? So let me go back to Figma. So Figma will have, the app will have friends, we don't have to use the word friends, we can just put an icon, that's what we just said.
Just like two friends having handshake.
Yeah, so friends, community, and then so the requests that we have, we don't need to see the requests that we sent, I think, because none of the apps show that. So only the requests that we have, only that.
Okay, so you meant to say that we will just stick to the three options.
Yeah.
First, our group or community, and the request that we are receiving.
Yeah, and friends and groups will have, instead of view profile and stuff like that, we'll have the chats like this we see over here.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
other than that, the requests will have a page like this. So groups and friends will have chats.
Like we are having the page for the new request.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Whichever. Yeah.
And for the chats on the group and the message and the friend screen, we will be having the chats like the WhatsApp and the group like the WhatsApp app. And once the user will click on it, it will get to their detail page. And while clicking on the icon of that specific friend or the group, their profile will be visible.
Yeah, I mean, reaching the profiles in group will just have one more step, because when it's your friends chat, you can just click on their profile and see it. But when it's group, you have to see all the users and then click on that users, right?
Okay.
Yeah, just like a
Okay, so you
normal.
mean to say that when the user will click on the group, there will be a first the list of the users will be appear
Exactly.
that were added in that specific group, and with this list there will be a name of the group and some sort of like we are having on the group on the WhatsApp. That
Exactly.
when we click the group icon, there is a group logo. Logo means to say pick and it's a group title, and then we are having the list of the attendees or the joinees that are in that specific group.
Exactly. Exactly.
So I got it.
Okay. Do you guys think this system is good? Like friends and groups having chats and then just requests having its own profile page.
I would like to say that we should keep the chat section separate. But if you are satisfied with this, so we can do.
Yeah.
My suggestion was this that we should keep the chat, whether it is a group or whether it is the single person chat. It should be separate rather than just displaying this in the front section. My suggestion was this. What do you think, Brother Wahab?
Yeah, I agree with your point of view.
Okay.
What do you think about Derek?
I'm just
Because this
confused.
might confuse the user that whether it's in playing around in the front section or in the chat.
Okay. Okay.
Because WhatsApp is a totally
Okay.
different app and our
Okay.
app is totally on a different
Okay.
logic.
You know what? This was a total waste of time. I agree with you guys. I'm just mostly worried about where we're gonna put the AI sign. That's if I'm gonna be honest with you, that was my whole approach. I don't want the AI sign on the side. I feel like it looks strange to put it on the side.
Okay, we will figure out something
Okay.
more that will be visible for
Yeah.
us. So don't worry about it.
Okay. The chats being its own page would be fine. I feel like then we can put groups and friends together as a list instead of having
Yeah,
two
there
different
will
pages.
be a filter of the both
Yeah.
chats or like the WhatsApp is having that
Yeah.
will be showing the chats for the all we will be showing the group and chat similar,
Yeah.
and for the groups there will be a specific tab. So don't worry.
Okay, sounds good. No, it just looks good. Honestly, the
okay.
system works.
Imran,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, Imran, just give do R&D and give us thought of your ideas or in presentation point of view or visually point of view. Then we can discuss with Darren, and Darren will finalize it and give us
No,
feedback
I
what
th-
need.
I think this is
And my point of view or feedback that what will be the difference between the friends and chats? Friends in friends modules or in friends section, there is also a chat like you said, like WhatsApp showing the friends chat. Then there will be the group chats. Then there will be the friend requests and or either we received or kind of that. If we go on the chat, then there will be the same kind of
Okay.
like things will gonna happen. Like we are going to chat with like friends or either the groups. So what like I'm confused about what will be the difference between the chats and friends.
No, we have discussed with Darren as well that we will keep the chat separate in the chat section and the friends will be staying like this, like it's in the
What kind of chat? My question is what kind of chat?
This chat can be relevant to any sort of chat like we did on the WhatsApp, or the user can discuss their daily goals or other things.
How about
I mean,
how about this?
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry. You get, and there is also another question. It is what kind of chat? Like you said, Imran, it kind of friend, it kind of group, or it like custom chat. You are saying that it is a custom chat.
yeah.
Yeah, if it is a kind of custom chat, is it with the AI agent or just kind of a particular person?
The AI agent chat will be separate. When the user will
Guys.
click on this the purple icon that the purple button that we are using, this will
Yeah.
redirect to the AI chat.
Guys,
And the
how about we switch it to Instagram? Instead of having friends at all, no friends, when we click on our profile, you will only be able to access chat like like from here. You can only see your friends and the people that you follow from here, nowhere else. How about that? Only on your profile.
So you mean to say that you want the profile like the Instagram page?
So like only for the following. Okay, let's go back to Figma to see what our profile looks like right now. So we have our profile. It's somewhere here.
Just zoom a bit, and yeah, here it is the profile. In below the inside section.
Down.
Yeah,
Here.
Here is the
Okay.
profile.
Okay, yeah. So we can have our like under this or above somewhere on this page, we can have the followers and stuff like that, followers and following, and then from there you can see our pictures, the users pages. Other than that, because at the end of the day, why do we need a friends page? After all, the only thing that you're gonna do with these people are just chat with them or see their profile. We don't need a whole page for just listing friends, when it's because you're not gonna, let's be honest, you're not gonna use the friends button pretty much at all. You're not gonna use it at all besides a contact list. And you can,
Yeah, exactly. And that's the point like I want to discuss. If we're gonna in deep that it will be convert our app or our idea into social connection. We are like diverting from our original pinpoint or pain point.
yeah.
We are discussing the social connection.
Yeah, I mean we need.
So we have to we have to make it like a little user friendly or just a limited. Like
Yeah.
we are discussing about the like meta features, WhatsApp features, like kind of that. It would be convert that into social connection app rather than the AI coach app.
So what if we remove the friend from the navigation?
No. We can just add the friend. What we are we are discussing like a community, like in US or Europe, they are a community system. Like they are following the habit trackers, or we can add them for growing or improve our habits. Like we can have that feature, but not kind of social connection. We are now currently discuss like Instagram or WhatsApp. Then it will be in my opinion, then we will be diverted or maybe far away from our like main idea. It will be just focus on the social connections.
Okay, I mean social connections are important, but I get your point. Yeah, finalizing this, I feel like if we put the friends list, so the people that you are friends with, the list should be on your profile on this page.
Yes.
Nothing other than that. Chats is very important because chats are
Yes.
pretty much the only thing that we're gonna use when it comes to friends. So chats is important. We can just convert friends into chats, and then just have our chats.
Just yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you mean to say that on the user profile, can you zoom it on the user profile?
Yeah.
On the user profile, we will be having like the Instagram, just following and followers.
Yeah.
And from that, he or she can access the list of friends.
For sure. Exactly.
Simple one.
100%. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we concluded, Darren, can you elaborate us what kind of feature we have in friend module?
In what?
What we will be having then in the friend module, because if you are getting
friends is just chat
friends
now.
will be
Chat.
friend will be converted to the chat.
Yes.
And there will be the chat of the friends.
And groups like WhatsApp. To get friends and groups are always on one page in WhatsApp, right? They're
Yeah,
not
they
separate.
will be on the one page, so don't worry about.
Okay. And then
So
I mean,
the other thing,
yeah.
Or friend requests or what kind of feature? Can you, Imran, repeat it? Like what kind of feature we will have in friend module? Can you?
basically, Darren was saying that that in the friend module, we will be having the chats with the friend rather than showing their profile.
Yeah.
And once the user is interacting with that screen, the user will be able to click on that specific chat of that friend that
Yeah.
will redirect him to the chat, to the conversation screen with that friend.
Yes.
And once the conversation screen is appeared, if the user wants to see the profile of his or her friend, then he can click on its or on his or her profile, and then their profile will be shown.
Yes.
And by
Correct.
there, the user can add him or her as his friend, like the Instagram Instagram section, like follow or following. That one.
True.
Yes. Okay.
This
Great.
was the point. This will be decided. This was decided in the friend module,
True.
and same for the group.
True.
Okay.
There's one more way you can see the person's profile is if you find it from here.
Yeah,
Two-
yeah.
so
We
two
will be
ways.
showing here the followers and following,
Okay.
and the user can see
Okay.
it.
Okay, and now I got the point. The friend module is clear. Now my question is like how we can differentiate, Imran, the custom chat from friend chat.
The custom chat and friend chat is already differentiated.
No, you said like we can in the custom chat we can chat with the friends. How can you differentiate?
Differentiate from what?
Chats are chats are just both for groups and for friends and just for chatting, nothing else. If you click on the person's profile on the top, like WhatsApp, then you can see their profile, but it's only chats, no friends, nothing.
Okay, just let me share the screen. Then I maybe I can elaborate you more.
Okay, can you give me 1 second? I'm just gonna use the washroom
Okay.
real quick.
Okay. इमरान भाई आवाज आ रही है? अच्छा यार देखो सिंपल सी बात है, वो कस्टम चैट की बात कर रहा है। कस्टम चैट में आप फ्रेंड भी लेके आ रहे हो, वो ग्रुप्स को भी लेके आ रहे हो, एआई भी उसमें इन्वॉल्व है, तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है।
कस्टम चैट पता क्या था, इस तरह से हम आपस में नहीं अपने दोस्तों के साथ करते हैं चैट, वो उससे मुराद
वो तो फ्रेंड वाले में होती है ना। हाँ, फ्रेंड में होती है ना। देखो मैं आपको मुझे शेयर स्क्रीन करने दो, मैं आपको अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बताता हूँ।
कर ले होगी शेयर।
देख रहे हैं, मैं इस चैट की बात कर रहा हूँ। देखो जब इस चैट पे आ रहे हैं, ये चैट किससे होगी हमारी?
जब इस पे चैट क्लिक करेंगे ना, आप थोड़ा जूम आउट करें जी, और जूम आउट करें और थोड़ा अब स्क्रॉल डाउन करें। ये दिख रहा है चैट का मॉड्यूल बना हुआ, जिस तरह ये सेकंड वाली जो स्क्रीन है ना, ये शो होगी।
यार पर बात सुनो ना इमरान भाई, इसमें मेरा स्टिल ये क्वेश्चन है कि फिर फ्रेंड वाले मॉड्यूल में और इसमें फिर क्या फर्क हो गया? क्योंकि ना अगर हम सिंपल एक मिनट सुन ले, देखिए जब हम व्हाट्सएप भी खोलते हैं ना, तो तब हमें ये इंटरफेस नजर आता है, और जो फ्रेंड वाला मॉड्यूल है ना, उसमें भी वो यही चाह रहा है कि व्हाट्सएप वाला फीचर हो।
जी, तो ये जो चीज है यहाँ से माइग्रेट होकर उधर चली जाएगी ना।
ये मैं आपसे बाद में डिस्कस करता हूँ।
Okay.
Yeah, exactly like this. So messages can be its own.
Yeah, this screen will be redirected to the friend module.
Yeah. Okay.
And this AI coach screen that we are having under the AI chat box, this will be redirecting from the star that we are having.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are like everything is clear. Okay. Imran, do you have any still question?
Not at the moment.
I have one question.
Yes.
So we said on our profile we're gonna have followers, the people that we follow, and then that's set. Where are the friend requests that we have from other people? We don't care about the friend requests we sent. Nobody gives a flying F about that.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah. Where can we put the requests?
From the module that we want to send the friend that a friend requested, we will be having this tab.
Okay, but where is it gonna be?
It will be in the friend section.
But there is no friends section. That's what we said.
That's why I was suggesting that we should keep the chat and the friends separate because it will mix the user.
No,
Because-
I'm just saying I don't want a friends section. I just want to be able to see the people on your profile, like numbers. Let's say you have 1,000 followers. You can see in your friends that you're looking for, either in your followers or in your following, one of them. And then we have to find. So
First
okay.
phase.
I do want this to be a social connection app too, though, because my goal for this app to change how humanity functions for the users, at least, in a total
Yep.
different way. Because I want. I'm just so what bothers me is if we have friends. So there's friends already right here, right? If we add chat, the AI button is unsymmetrical, and therefore we don't know where to put the AI. I like that AI is in the center and there's like a little curve underneath it. I like that design. So
Don't worry about that. We will figure out something
okay,
that work out for us for the chat section.
okay. I'm
So
just
don't worry. The A button will be in the center.
well, it can't be if there's 5. If it can't be if there's friends and chat at the same time on the navigation.
Yeah, that's my exactly point.
Yeah, we will.
So we gotta
See-
pick which one, friends or chat. That's why my whole point. I think we should have chat instead of friends, and we have to find somewhere else to put the friends. And I think we should put it in our profile. But then, normally in friends, we got following and followers in our own page right now. But where is the friend requests? That's where I'm asking.
For
In my
that,
opinion,
for that we can do that we will be showing the notification screen here, and
Okay.
when the I'm working on the notification screen as well. So I will create a tab for that people and will name the tab as that people
Okay,
follows you.
problem solved, guys. That's what I was
Yeah.
looking for. Problem solved.
Like on the Instagram, you see a tab.
Okay. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Guys, my computer died. I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay, so I was saying that there is a screen on Instagram that once you click on that heart icon that Instagram uses for the notification, that once you click on it, there is a tab on the Instagram of named as kind of a follow request or something that
Yeah.
on where all the follows on all the requests that people have sent us will be shown.
Yeah, the heart icon, right? There's a heart
Yeah,
and
that-
okay.
that-
Okay.
we
I
will
got
change that- We will change that to the notification icon,
Okay.
and then there will be a tab.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's a good place to put the request. You solved it, man. This is the answer that I was looking for. You literally gave me what I wanted. That's good. Because what worries me that friends will not be used as much as any of the other stuff. So let's say if we have navigation bar, we got chat, insights, AI, and calendar. Those are probably be used every single time you open the phone, like every day. But friends, how often do you check to see who are your friends and check their profile? I mean, you can if yeah.
Okay, so you mean to say that just I'm summarizing up the whole discussion that we had.
Yeah.
That on the friend screen, we will be having the chat with our friends and the communities that we have joined.
Yeah.
This and for the seeing the screen for seeing the people that who has sent request or who has followed us will be showing in the notification.
Requests are
we are
in the
not
notification.
finalized it, Imran.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we are on the same page. Hoping so.
Okay, can we just go over it one last time? Let me see if I'm clear. Friend requests, notifications, the new notifications place, and then
Yes.
our friends, followers, whatever, are on our profile page, and then what we
Yes.
have for friends right now, what we have for friends is gonna be chats page with groups and
Yeah.
chats.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. And just one thing to ask that does we change the name of the friends or it will be remain friend?
I think we can just keep it chat. We can make it chats. Or
Okay,
we
I'll
don't.
check to get that.
I feel like we don't have. We shouldn't give it a name. I feel like we should use an icon instead of chats. I don't think we should
Yeah,
have words.
but I think that using the just a suggestion that using the icon with the name will be a better approach because sometimes the user is no voice user and it gets no idea that where it is. So
Oh.
this was my check.
I don't know. I feel like writing would make it just a bit more crowded. I feel like it would be easy to have
Okay,
just.
so I'll be just stick to the icon.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
We'll just put a little calendar, little chat icon, little friends,
Yeah, yeah.
and stuff like that. Yeah, writing would
Okay.
make it seem.
So
Okay, so there is a technical point. Imran. There is a technical point I want to discuss that because we are making it like kind of social connection.
Mm-hmm.
These module. So Darren, it would take around 1 to 2 weeks
To do what?
to make it complete, like friend requests, following, or chatting within group, out of the group, or profile, because it takes time.
Okay. Okay.
At least 1 week. At least 1 week.
Okay. No worries. No worries.
Okay, Imran, kindly complete the design, what we have discussed, as soon as it possible. If it is possible today, if it is not, then tomorrow in the first phase or first half.
Guys,
Just finalize it.
the
okay.
best I can do will be delivered.
Okay.
Can I ask you guys something?
Yeah.
Totally unrelated. I'm wondering, after every functionality, the back end and stuff like that, after everything is done, let's say the app is launched, the investors gave us the money, the app is launched, it's on Apple Store. How hard would it be to change the UI? Just the looks, color, button size, button image, stuff like that. How hard would it be to change the looks?
It's all about depend upon the requirements. Whether you want to change the icons of the navigations or each and every button, what kind of requirements you need. It's totally depend upon the changings or updates you require.
Okay. It wouldn't take the same amount to build the whole app though, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just wondering. Okay. Because
Okay.
it can definitely be better because we want to be a premium app, but right
Yes.
now I'm prioritizing speed to show investors what the app can actually do instead of the looks. But eventually the looks are going to be a huge part of selling the app. So, okay, I'm just curious. Okay.
Okay.
We're
Okay.
clear, huh? We're clear. We're good.
Yes.
We finalized it finally.
Yes, so finalize it. Imran, now can you work on as soon as possible, like possible to deliver it today?
Not today because there are many modules that need to work. So probably
Okay, sure.
not today.
Try to deliver us in first half tomorrow.
The best I can do.
Okay, sure. Okay, you can maybe you can leave. I can discuss with the Darren something else.
Bye bye, Derek.
Bye, Imran. Thank you.
Hi, Darren.
Hey, what's up?
I'm good. Just give me a sec.
Okay, no worries. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here,
Oh, okay.
waiting for you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Devin, for your kind words. Actually, it's motivate us to work, push our limits. Thank you.
Bro, thank you. Don't even mention it.
Uh,
You just
uh,
telling me.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. Go ahead.
I said you just telling me that I'm doing good as motivating you guys. It just makes me happy, so it's good.
Yeah, your words are motivating us, pushing our limit. Usually we work in 8 hours, like 9 to 5, but we are giving the time for your project like 9 to 9 even.
That's good to know.
That's excited for us because your word, your enthusiasm, or your interest for this project is also motivating us. That's why we are giving our best or even extra time.
That's good to know. I mean, I'm not building a bullshit app afterwards, right? We're trying to help people and change lives. Hopefully, you guys will use it. I don't know if you'll need it, but we're trying to make people's lives better. So, yeah, it's motivating to
Yes,
do
yes.
something.
So, is there anything else you want to modify it or change it? Like in friend section module, I was talking about the friend section module. Actually, it takes a time.
Okay,
I asked from the developer like Unsend Hisam because Hisam is doing backend plus AI functionalities and Uns is doing front end and backend integration. So
Okay.
I have searched from both of them. If we are doing these features kind of social connection app, then how would take time?
Okay.
They said me at least or minimum it's take 1 week
Okay.
if we give our full potential to it's like this kind of module with the other functionalities.
Okay.
If we just focus on these module, then maybe it take
Okay.
3 to 4 days because we are developing the other module as well.
Okay.
That's why it
no worries.
takes time.
No worries. I know you guys are working hard and I know you're giving your best. 1 week is an acceptable time. I feel like it's a reasonable time. You guys are saying it, so I believe you guys. I think it's a time well spent. So 1 week, 2 weeks, do whatever you guys need to like take how much time you guys need to do to give me a good product. That's all it takes. That's all I want. I know you guys work hard, so we don't have to talk about doing it fast. I know you guys doing your best. So 1 week is 1 week.
So sweet of you. These your words is still meaningful us, motivate us.
Thank you. Like I said, I also have like a co-founder now. So
Yes.
he's more technical. He's studying AI in university right now. He's like writing papers on machine learning and stuff like that. And I would want him to meet you guys too. I think he'd like you guys too.
I also have 2 published research papers.
Yeah, and you told me.
Machine learning based.
Yeah,
Yeah,
That's
YOLO
good.
based.
it's good. Like you're contributing to the general knowledge of the whole thing. So
Yes.
maybe hopefully people will read your work.
Previously, if I go to introduce myself, actually I have a 5 year of teaching experience in
Yeah?
university
Really?
as well. Yes,
That's
I
good.
was a teaching assistant.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yes, I have a overall 7 year experience, 5 to 6 year as a academia or 4 year as a industrial experience, working with the West
That's awesome. Man.
on real time projects.
See,
So that's why I'm managing the project's execution technically and non technically.
That's good. That's good. Honestly, I really respect people in academia, only if they also do stuff in the field, like you. If you're only a professor, not doing anything besides school, like your own work, then I don't know. Like I don't know what you are. What have you done besides write some papers? But if you're working actually in your own field and getting things accomplished, like having your own business, doing something other than just writing papers, then it's good. So
Yeah.
I like your method. You're writing papers, you're doing research, but you're also working and like on
Yes.
actual stuff.
What I have learned from the academia, I also execute them as a practically and in the field.
Exactly. I mean, that's the way, because with research is you're not researching old stuff. You're not researching, just writing stuff down that's already there. You're researching old stuff and coming up with something new, and that new stuff will help you come up with newer stuff
Yes,
to make
yes,
stuff better,
yes.
right?
Okay. Is there anything you want from us? You want to discuss?
No, you guys let me know. I'll work on the voice agent. So
Yes.
yeah, let me know if you guys need anything, and we'll hop on a meeting.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure.
All right.
Then
Okay.
take care.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Bye bye. It's good to be back. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. You guys met the team. That's the team. We got 8%. That's the. Let's see how's the live doing. How many people have joined so far? Bruh, I swear this is my friend. Yeah, I already know who is this. Kaan sen misin lan? I swear this is my friend. Yeah, I already know who is this. Kaan sen misin lan? I swear this is my... I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's check out his account. The esoteric metaphysics of a circle.
Welcome to Esoteric Brain Irritation, where we don't financially support intros. Warn here. If you want to draw a sum up, this is...
Yeah, you can only be one person. From who I know, you can only be one guy. The esoteric metaphysics. Okay. Now let's get back to work. What's happening? But I guess I have to switch now. Let me see. So I'm just gonna pull the battery out and replace it with a new one. Okay. Let's see. Juice. Damn. Oh. What? We're still filming. Are we still on? Guys, I switched batteries and we're still going strong. Okay. But after this one, we gotta switch to the GoPro 13. Because I don't have another battery. Hell yeah. Okay. Connection lost. No, we're still live. I gotta eat something though. I haven't ate in 7-8 hours. Oh shit. I have a meeting with an investor at 11:30 a.m. Damn! Should I go to sleep or no? I don't want to be tired at AF in front of investors. Plus, I gotta take videos of. I need to take a founder video for applications. Let's just smoke instead. Let's see. Let's brainstorm. I'd say let me order food and then we'll decide. I got so many tabs open. It's unreal. Oh. Okay. I'll just share the screen so you guys can see what I'm working on. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I could so eat a Subway right now. I'm normally not a Subway person. My body is slowly being irritated. I haven't eaten so long. It's cold in here. I drank alcohol. I'm smoking. I just need food so my body can burn food instead of itself. Like I am, I'm shivering. Italian BMT is good. Whatever. Let's just go with it. 6 inches should be enough. Multigrain. Lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, crispy onions, pickles, black olives, banana pepper. Shredded Canadian cheddar. Okay. Wait. Do I have any sauces? Yeah. Sweet onion teriyaki sauce. Garlic aioli. Okay, wait, there's more. Yeah, that wasn't low key. $19 to $37 minutes. It's crazy. Let's go. $1 tip for the driver. Let's get it. Place order. Go on. I got money. I got money. What are you talking about? Order received. Number of calls. Call success. Metrics? Wow, what? Call logs. How many people have called? Which ones are success? Okay. What? So what are these success metrics? Oh, okay. Okay, let's summarize this. I'm gonna ask Claude. What am I trying to achieve with this? What am I trying to achieve with this? Let's see what it thinks about our prompt. Okay. So forget the prompt that we actually wrote, which I pasted. That's the prompt for a voice agent that will be onboarding early users for our app. As you can see, the process is a little bit forced, but you see what I'm trying to get out of the conversation with the coach onboarding voice agent. I need you to give it the flexibility it needs to have a meaningful conversation with a limit of tokens, so we don't have the coach just starting to monologue by itself talking about the features of the app. We needed to have it a conversational style. Of introducing the app and how it can change the user's life. We don't want a monologue. It should conversationally identify how this person can benefit from the app and mentioning features by integrating it to the conversation rather than just listing it. Let's see what it thinks. I'm just gonna wear something. Let me use Dennis's coat. Okay. can use some hot tea right now. Let me bring you guys with me. Oh shit. Damn. We're out of hot water. First, let me remove the excess water. I don't like tap water, but we're out of fresh water. Now it should work. I think we can have some more hot water. Damn. Fuck. I'll just get a new one. What the hell? We'll also put a little bit of honey. This will keep me going until Subway arrives. do you have for us, Claude? This coat helped. I was shivering. Mahmoud is on our way with our order. 11 minutes. Okay. Okay. You are direct, insightful, academic, correct, conduct this correct. Ask one focused question at a time. Listen for what they're actually struggling. Okay. This is good. I feel like it would work. Okay. I just need to also input your features and also give it flexibility like before. Let me zoom in on this too. Okay, let's just fucking delete it. Too much. Okay, let's go over it. Wherever, wait, Command F, wherever we have quotation marks, it's too unflexible. Use your create. Don't follow things. Follow. Okay, we'll just put this everywhere. Use your creativity. Don't follow word for word. Don't follow sentences word for word. We'll just put it everywhere. If they mention losing motivation, use your creativity. I'll just put it over here. You don't have to follow sentences. After encouraging you, positive. Use your input. ChatGPT to get list every single feature that Coach has to keep its user accountable, even if it's indirect. List every single one of them, and every feature should be no more than 5 words. And list all of the features. So 5 words for each feature maximum. Less if you can. No, let's do it 10 words instead of 5. I need you to list all of the features of Coach. I need them in bullet point, and also I need you to mention each feature that will keep the user accountable directly or indirectly under 10 words for each feature. You got this. Okay. I need you to list every feature that Coach has whether it's okay. Damn. Okay. We got a lot of stuff. Okay. It's okay. It's almost here. The guy came a little bit late. Oh. Hey man, come on up. 3rd floor. Thanks. See how it looks. We'll call it in a sec.
Thank you. Sorry if your food cold because I'm
no worries, no
I'm so
worries,
sorry.
no worries.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. Have a good day.
He said, "Don't be." I'll heat it up though. What's the best way to heat this up? Ooh, we got sauces and stuff in it too. It's a decision between the microwave, which will make it wet and soggy, or the air fryer. That will take a little bit more time. We shall go with air fryer. Done decision. You just need a small. I used this for to bake something, which had tuna in it. Let's see. It's the student lifestyle, even though we're entrepreneurs. I mean, fuck it. I'll just put the sandwich directly inside of the thing. We'll see how it goes. And then I'll press reheat. Bruh. Okay. Perfect. I'm just gonna use the washroom. 2 minutes at 40 at 400 Fahrenheit. Should work. Chipotle. It's pretty reptilian, but more minutes. Yeah, oof. Yeah, that's enough. Yep. It's not soggy at all. That's what I wanted. If I had used the microwave, it would have been soggy. Plus, and it's crispy now. Now we can enjoy our meal. Let's see through. Are we ready? Let's talk. Hello?
Hey there. Glad you're here. Let's start with your name. What should I call you?
My name is Darren.
Got it. Darren, tell me, what's something you keep saying you'll do but haven't started yet?
Sales.
All right. All right. What's been stopping you? Is it fear, procrastination, or something else?
It's, I'd say, procrastination. I have a hard time getting out of the door and leaving and going pitching door to door.
So it's not about knowing what to do, it's about actually doing it, right? When you're stuck at home, what's the thought that usually keeps you from leaving?
I'd say the fact that I have to dress up and put on, just get out of my comfort zone and go on the streets and just knock on doors and get no's, which are actually not yet. I get that part, but just getting out of my comfort zone and also just preparing for the whole process. I mean, it's easier to work on sales when you're just behind the computer, just writing emails and everything, but it definitely takes more mental energy and just more effort overall to just go out there and start pitching.
Got it. So the mental energy of prepping combined with stepping out of your comfort zone is the real blocker. What if the system didn't wait for you to feel ready, but actually forced you to prove you're out of the house, dressed, and heading out? Would that kind of push be helpful or overwhelming?
How would that happen?
Simple. Our system requires proof. You'd snap a photo or video showing you're dressed and out the door. No proof, no pass. Plus, it tracks your streaks, so missing a day resets your progress. Does that kind of enforcement sound like what you need?
Isn't that kind of strange? Why would I need something like that?
Fair question. It's not about the photo, it's about breaking the hesitation and forcing the action. If the system holds you to it and makes skipping harder than actually doing it, would it help you move past the procrastination? Or does it feel unnecessary?
I mean, I just don't know if I need that kind of stuff.
Fair enough. It sounds like you're still weighing whether external accountability is what you need. If the system can help you prep faster and track consistency without forcing proof, would that feel more aligned? Or is this all feeling like overkill?
I don't know. Convince me.
All right, Darren, here's the deal. You've said the hardest part is leaving your comfort zone and actually doing it. This system doesn't rely on motivation. It enforces action, whether it's requiring proof you're out the door or blocking distractions while you prep. It closes the loopholes that let procrastination win. Does that sound like the kind of structure you need, or are you not ready for that level of accountability?
I mean, I feel ready, but at the same time, I am confused whether I mean, using an AI app to be accountable sounds cringe. How, like, I don't know.
I hear you, it's not for everyone. But think about it this way. It's not about relying on an app forever. It's about using a system that forces action until discipline becomes second nature. If it gets you out the door consistently, does it matter how, or is the cringe factor too much for you?
That's a good point, but what are the guarantees behind it actually being able to get me out of the door? Doesn't it ultimately rely on me?
You're right, it does rely on you. But the system removes negotiation. No proof, no streak. No streak, there's visible accountability. It's designed to make skipping harder than just doing the thing. The guarantee is in the setup. If you follow it, it works. But you have to decide if you're ready to commit. Are you?
What do you think? Am I?
From what you've shared, you're tired of procrastinating, but hesitant about stepping into something this rigid. If you're serious about breaking the pattern, this system will push you, but it's only worth it if you're ready to stop negotiating with yourself. So, Darren, what's your gut telling you?
I'm not too sure. You gotta be more convincing.
All right, Darren, here's the blunt truth. If you're still negotiating with yourself, nothing changes. This system isn't here to motivate or coddle you. It enforces action, period. If you keep waiting for the perfect mindset or moment, you're stuck. So, are you ready to stop debating and start doing?
Is the app free?
There is a trial period to see if it's the right fit for you. After that, there's a cost to keep the accountability features active. The question is, are you ready to commit to seeing if this can break your procrastination cycle?
Well, the idea sounds good, but I haven't actually used the app yet, so I don't really know.
Fair enough. How about this? Sign up as an early user, try it out during the trial period, see if it actually makes a difference for you. No obligation beyond that. Ready to give it a shot?
Sure. Why not? What am I gonna lose?
Great. Let's get you signed up as an early user. What's the best email to use for your registration?
It's dergoceek@gmail.com.
Goodbye.
Bro, no. It was so good till the end. What the hell was that end? I literally gave it my email and it said goodbye. I feel like someone just took my virginity and just dipped. Bro, we had a meaningful conversation and then you took my information and just went to the abyss. Damn. Okay, I gotta fix that. Why is my brother awake? Oh.
If you're serious about it, buy the app. If you're not serious about it, it's not for you. If you're serious about it, buy the app. If you're not serious about it, it's not for you.
Boom. Okay. Let's get napkins. What's the time? 6:44. I'm gonna wipe the sauce. Okay. Damn. I don't want to F up the whole system prompt trying to fix the ending. Okay. I'll just use ChatGPT. My trick for hiccups is 10 consecutive gulps. And then there's always a tiny little burp, and now it's gone. Here's my final system prompt, and also how my conversation went with it. As you'll see, the conversation is on point, but the ending firm. Tell me how you. I'm just gonna add this. Okay. Exactly. The assistant just says goodbye and hangs up after getting the email with no warmth or acknowledgement of what just happened. Here's a simple addition to this fix. Add this section to your prompt right before or after critical rules. Okay. 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 This is good. What's critical? Critical rules. Damn. Oh, we're glitching big time. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, this should work. Let's change the assistance configuration. I think we fuck it up by making it too fast. So I think we need to take it down a notch. Would it be the same? Because the problem is there's a lot of glitches. And I'm curious, what's the cause? Feature jack agent. Yeah, let's go with feature jack agent. I think we can make it a bit higher pitch. And then let's talk to assistant. Hey, what's up?
It's not. What? What's on your mind?
I didn't say it's not. I said, what's up?
Got it. What's something you keep saying you'll do but haven't started?
I don't know. Stop. End call. Big time glitchy. Glitch. Haven't started. Let's get that as root. And then where's the... Don't follow. Bro, I literally told you not to follow this. word for word. Yeah, that's it. Update. Let's just publish it. Let's see. Yeah. Sorry. What's up, bro? Okay. Oh. What's up? What's up?
Hey, what's up? What's something you keep saying you'll do but haven't started yet?
Bro, don't use that sentence. No. Darn it. Introduce features. What? Talk to assistant. Hey, how's it going, hombre?
Hey, I'm good. How about you? What's got you looking into accountability today?
What do you mean?
I mean, what's something you keep saying you'll do but haven't started?
I'm just removing the one. Never mind. Shut up.
Got it. So, what's one thing you've been putting off that you really want to tackle?
Let's see. Sup, dog?
Hey there. What's the goal you're trying to make happen right now?
Shit, I had some ads running. I forgot. Hell no. Come on, bro. Ads manager. Okay. Yes, that's what we want. Oh my god. We paid $85. 8 people called. Really? Eight people called. Who are they? 20-second phone calls, 2 60-second phone calls, 1 7,000 people saw it. Amount spent. I gotta put an end to this. Pull the plug. Sorry. Let's just see 8 calls placed. That doesn't sound right. Okay. What's up? What's up?
Great to hear. What's the main goal you're trying to tackle right now, short term or long term?
What's up, man?
Hey, I'm here to help you identify what's been blocking you from reaching your goals and see if our system can help you break through those barriers. What are some short or long-term goals you're currently working on?
I'm not sure.
All right. Let's start by pinpointing areas where you often feel stuck or frustrated. Are there specific habits or routines you struggle to maintain consistently?
I'm not sure.
No problem. Think about your typical day. Are there moments where you feel unproductive or wish you had more discipline? What tends to derail you the most?
Discipline.
Got it. Discipline can be tough to maintain. Do you find yourself starting strong but losing steam? Or is it more about sticking to a routine?
I don't know. Okay. We'll deal with you later. Okay?
Sure. I'll be here when you're ready to dive in. Talk soon.
Can we use mini cluster? Let's see. Hey, how's it going? Gone?
It seems like you might be feeling a bit lost. Can you share what specific goals or changes you're trying to achieve right now?
No. Never mind. this is it for tonight. I hope you guys had a good run watching me work, which is not super entertaining, but it's documentation, and I need it. I want to document this, so I, out of all people, can go back and reminisce, and the people that I care about can watch, and also, I guess, the main point is of documenting. I mean, it's good that I can go back and watch stuff, but to actually show the world that I'm hustling day and night, putting in the hours. The aftermath isn't something that comes overnight. At least not in most people's cases. You need days and nights like this. It's the hustle fund.